In this video, we'll demonstrate how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to navigate toll-free routes using Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Are you tired of encountering tolls during your travels? Let's explore how you can easily bypass toll routes using Google Maps. First things first, open up your Google Maps app. Type in the location you want to navigate to and tap on Directions. If you haven't set a starting point, add it by tapping on the location symbol. Once your directions are set, in the top right corner, you'll find 3 dots. Tap on these dots to access the route options. Regardless of whether you're using an Android or iPhone, this function works universally on both devices. Inside the route options, you'll notice the setting to Avoid Tolls. Turn this option on to steer clear of toll roads during your journey. Additionally, to eliminate any toll-related notifications, ensure the checkbox for toll prices is unticked. After setting your preferences, save your changes, and you're all set. You can now follow your directions without worrying about encountering tolls along the way. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found it valuable, a like would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more useful tutorials. Share your thoughts in the comments below about your experience with avoiding tolls using Google Maps.